So today we'll discuss about dress-up features. So for the dress-up features, we need a solid body, which already we created. We need to create it. So I go to the geometrical set. Let me create one solid body. And then we use this dress-up features. Let me create one rectangle and create one circle here. Now I want to create a solid in this body too. Right click on this and define in work object. Go to pad, select the sketch. I take 50 both sides, preview and OK. So now we use dresser features on this. So first dresser features is fillets. Let me take it outside, all fillets. So first fillet is edge fillet. So this fillet is given to the edge for making edge to curvilinear profile. So I take this 5 mm. Let me take with the 20 mm. You can make it to a single edge or you can make it at a time also. So if you want to make all the edges at a time, then you need to click on this, select this face, this face, this face, this face, this face. So at a time you get a fillet of 20 mm. Give preview. So you get like this. If you want only single edge, then you just select a single edge like this. Let me use with the next command, which is variable fillet. So here the name itself indicating variable radius fillet. So here we can have more than one radius. So let me select the edge here. So here when you click on this, you will get two radiuses. So first one is 5, second one is 5. So I change this. So 5 radius to 25 radius. So here the radius will be 25, here the radius will be 5. Give preview. Give OK. In that way you can create a variable radius. Click on this and here you can change it to 1. Here I'll give 2 mm. So this side, this could be variable fillet. So now we go with this face-to-face fillet. So the fillet between two faces. Now I give a fillet between this face and this face here. If I give fillet of 5 mm, let me give 25. So the edges between these two faces, every edge get filleted. So here this face and this face connected with this edge, this four edge and this four edge. So every edge gets filleted with the radius of 25 mm. This common edge here, they get the filleted. So now I want to give fillet between this and this and this. Only two faces we can give here. So the face is this. If I want to give in the bottom, then select this face and select the bottom face. Then to this edge, we'll get a fillet now. Let me use tritangent fillet. So tritangent means three faces you need to select. So first face is this, then second face is this. After selecting two faces, you need to select third face, which you want to remove. So here I want to remove the upper face. I'll select the upper face, which is indicated with the red color. Now this face will be removed and fillet is given between these two faces. So in this way, we can give tritangent fillet. Now we go with the chamfer. So here it asks angle and it asks length. So which is given to the edge. So this edge I'm giving with the 45 degree and chamfering I'll give like 35. See, we are going to remove the edge like this. Here also you give the same thing. Chamfering between these four faces. At a time we can remove the material. So I give lesser. Can give it to this face like 2. At a time you can chamfer the entire face also like this. If you want to chamfer the entire face, so here the conditions will be there. Here it is already got chamfered. You won't get it. So in order to give the chamfering, you should not have chamfering. So I'll cancel this. Then I'll give you. Select this face and give chamfering to 20 minutes. Like this, you can give chamfering. So next command is draft. So a draft will be given which creates the slope from the reference surface. So here you need to select in the drafting, one is the reference surface and other is faces to draft. So first one is faces to draft. Suppose I need to draft this face. Select this face. Then I need to have a one reference surface, neutral element. So I'll click this. Here one thing you need to remember, faces should be perpendicular. Neutral element and this face draft, faces to draft. So perpendicular to this face is this. I'll select this. Then I'll just give the angle 5 degree, give preview. So like that, we can add the material in 5 degree and even we can remove also. Let me add with the 30 degree preview. In that way, we can add the material here. And even using draft, you can remove the material also. So faces to draft, I'm going to draft this face and select the neutral element is this. Now, if you see here, we are adding material in this way, right? Now I want to remove it. Just change the direction. Give preview and give OK. In that way, we can remove the material. We can draft the faces. So next one is shell. So shell is creating a equal thickness. I want to make a shell. So I want to create a shell to this. So I have created a box. So if you see each and every wall, you will have a 1 of thickness. This is 1 1 1 1 and 1 So like I want to shell this cylinder. Then I'll select this face. Now let me make like a 20 shell. Give OK. So here it took a next command. Here you can make a shell to this also. Okay, because we have taken two sketches in one body, that's why it is not working. Let me delete the shell. So now we'll go with the thickness. So thickness is used to increase the face thickness. Suppose this face thickness, I need to increase it by 20 Give OK. So thickness is increased by 20 Suppose I want to decrease the thickness. So go to the thickness. I want to decrease its thickness from here by 20 Give -20. So I have decreased the thickness of the face. In this way, we use thickness command. We use thread and we use faces to remove. Suppose I want to remove one face. This face I want to remove. Okay, here as we have taken two bodies, it won't work.